not go right through the center of that one. From what it looked like it was pretty thick. Alright. Yeah, it does look really thick.
I couldn't tell, or I would have told you. I just hammered right through it.
You did a great job, Jack. You did. Yep, you left me a good path. I could barely see through there. Where'd you go on this one? These ones up here aren't nearly as bad, so. Perfect.
Yeah, I don't.
But I'm kind of hanging to the southbound side here. Yeah.
Oh boy, yeah, that big rip right back here. That's gonna get somebody. If they don't hit the tracks, it's gonna get us.
Yeah, I'm glad I hit him. Yeah, me too. Alright, southbound lane or right in the middle. When did you go into town, Jack, or did you sleep out here on the road last night, or?
Yeah, live a good lap route. Cold foot last night. Drove in about 2.5 hours ago. So I took off down there, all foot plus 2.
Perfect, so you know what you're getting into. They worked the path. They were starting up from the bottom on this side when we were going down, so everybody's been making it still, but yeah.
Okay. Alright, it was actually a pretty nice drive up hill earlier today.
Well, what is it? The shelf is getting pretty wet, we'll say that. Alright, I'm pulled into 62. Yep, right behind you. I'm gonna jump out here just a second, squirt the dirt.